Number 1. Who founded modern economics and is considered as the father of economics? The correct answer for question number 1, of course, this is letter D, si Adam Smith. Okay, so klaro naman yung screen, di ba? So, this is part of the introduction ng agricultural economics and marketing. So, si Adam Smith, siya yung masasabi natin na nagpasimuno or siya yung matatawag natin na father of modern economics. At bakit? Dahil sa kanyang foundational work. Alam niyo ba yung libro na ginawa niya noong 1776? Ano yung pamagat ng libro na ginawa ni Adam Smith? You can comment in the chat box below kung alam niyo yung libro na ginawa ni Adam Smith noong year 1776. Okay, it is actually The Wealth of Nations. Dapat alam niyo yan, Wealth of Nations. Kung saan, inintroduce niya yung concepts ng invisible hand, division of labor, and free markets. So kaya si Adam Smith ang tinatawag na father of modern economics. Si David Ricardo, hindi siya yung father of modern economics. Kasi si David Ricardo, siya yung nag-build upon Adam Smith's ideas for the famous theory of comparative advantage. So yun yung specialty ni David Ricardo. Alam niyo yan, di ba? I-discuss ko yan last time, comparative advantage. So pag may tanong na comparative advantage, yan yung pinaka tumatak kay David Ricardo. So mali yan. Yung letter B naman, si John Stuart Mill, isa siyang major philosopher at saka economist na din, pero hindi siya yung founder ng modern economics. So mali din siya. Si Karl Marx naman, isa siyang critic of classical economics. So kung alam niyo yung Marxist economics, 'di ba? Yung kaya Marxist economics pinangalan sa apelyido niya Karl Marx. So si Karl Marx is very famous na founder sa Marxist economics. Hindi siya yung father of modern economics. So letter D, si Adam Smith ang tamang sagot. Okay, proceed with question number 2.